Elderly Vegan here, and welcome to my video on the health benefits of berries. In general, berries have nearly 10 times more antioxidant potential than other fruits and veggies, and more than 50 times the antioxidant power found in meat and dairy. As for their antioxidant concentration in general, berries are only surpassed by spices. And many of the health benefits of berries are primarily a direct result of their high levels of compounds referred to as anthocyanidins. These compounds are responsible for the red, blue, and purple colors in berries, and as such are a major source of their antioxidant potential. Anthocyanidins offer protection against heart disease, cancer, cognitive decline, and protect cells from DNA damage and reduce inflammation. Berries also help with blood sugar control because they have a low glycemic index and are high in fiber, while the fiber in berries also supports gut health, as well as aiding in the reduction of cholesterol. Furthermore, berries are rich in vitamin C and minerals such as manganese, both of which support the immune system. Studies show that individuals who consume berries on a routine basis have a lower risk of all-cause mortality, and this can lead to a longer, healthier life. So at this point, let's take a closer look at some of the health-promoting benefits where individual berries excel, and perhaps there's no better place to start than with blueberries. As it turns out, blueberries reign supreme with regard to brain health. They are linked to improved memory and slower age-related cognitive decline. And when it comes to the most highly concentrated source of antioxidants, lab tests found that wild blueberries have the highest concentration when compared to other common berries of North America. But if wild blueberries are not an option, blackberries would be the next best choice, as they have considerably more antioxidant power than the standard commercially grown blueberries. Blueberries also increase the number of natural killer cells, which play a key role in optimal immune function. In fact, natural killer cells identify and destroy abnormal cells, and as such, play a key role in cancer prevention. And when combined with the spice cardamom, you get even better results with the addition of this spice because it enhances the effect that blueberries have on increasing natural killer cells. So I now add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom to the wild blueberries on top of my oatmeal. Blackberries, however, are arguably the king of fiber, yet red raspberries are also right up there with them. And fiber is key for lowering cholesterol, aiding digestion, and promoting a feeling of fullness. Strawberries, however, are the vitamin C champions, and the concentration of vitamin C in strawberries is key for immune support, along with promoting healthy skin and reducing inflammation. In this regard, I learned from reading in one of Dr. Greger's books that strawberries decrease a protein referred to as tumor necrosis factor, which drives inflammation throughout the body. But perhaps most interesting of all is that strawberries are the richest known source of a compound referred to as ficitin. And the role of ficitin is involved with the process where the cellular components of dead and dying cells are broken down and recycled. If this recycling process does not occur, those worn-out cells start turning out pro-inflammatory compounds in abundance. The process of recycling worn-out cells is referred to as autophagy. And many of you may know already that calorie restriction has been the historical means for inducing autophagy. Yet AI does point out that in order to get the required amount of ficitin to induce autophagy, one would be obliged to eat a lot more strawberries than would be present in a normal serving. So be it. I will eat them nonetheless, as one would certainly hope any gain is a plus. As for cranberries, I think most everyone is aware of their protective effect against UTIs, otherwise known as urinary tract infections. And as you probably know, cranberry juice has the effect of preventing the bacteria from adhering to the mucosal wall of the bladder. And as I was doing the research for this video, I came across another fun fact about cranberries. Apparently, they may also have the ability to help prevent bacteria from sticking to one's teeth and gums in a similar fashion which occurs in the bladder. Only in this case, it helps prevent cavities. And I also recently learned that cranberry powder and its extracts can also be effective at reducing the symptoms associated with an enlarged prostate. It would seem cranberries are indeed multi-talented. Well, this concludes my brief and hopefully not overwhelming overview of berries with all those terms I threw at you. And I hope you will consider including a wide variety in your diet if you don't already. Until next time, to your good health, the elderly vegan.